everyone, welcome back to my channel Alka's Maths World. Let's discuss our first topic which is previous knowledge. Now children, previous knowledge में आपका जो first topic है that is natural number. So what do you mean by natural number? आपको ये पता होना चाहिए पहले से ही. That is why we are discussing under previous knowledge topic. So the set of numbers which starts with 1 and extends till infinity are known as natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now children, always remember the set of natural number. ये जो natural numbers होते हैं ये start ही होते हैं 1 से and ये extend होते हैं till infinity. Remember, these numbers are always positive, always starts from 1 and goes till infinity. These set of numbers are called natural numbers. Now our next topic is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? So जैसे natural numbers होते हैं वैसे whole numbers भी होते हैं. The only difference is natural number starts from the number 1 and goes till infinity, whereas the whole number starts from the number 0 and goes till infinity. ये नंबर भी पॉजिटिव होते हैं, ये नंबर भी पॉजिटिव होते हैं. बोथ द नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. So whole number starts from 1, extends till infinity, and whole number starts from 0, extends till infinity, and natural number starts from 1, goes till infinity. We can also say that all natural numbers are whole numbers. ये हम बोल सकते हैं कि जितने भी natural numbers हैं वो सारे whole numbers हैं. But we cannot say that all the whole numbers are natural numbers, because 0 जो है वो natural number नहीं है. It's not a natural number. That is why we cannot say that all the whole numbers are natural numbers. Because all जब हम use करते हैं ना the word all, उसमें 0 भी आता है. And this makes the statement wrong. So all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. I hope these two topics are clear to you children. जो कि आपका previous knowledge है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए before starting the chapter rational numbers. Now the last topic is last topic under previous knowledge topic. The last point is integers. Now children, integers क्या होते हैं ये दोनों तो आपको समझ में आ गया. Now what are integers? The set of whole numbers and negative numbers together which extends till infinity are known as integers. For example, देखिए यहाँ पे 0 है, ठीक है. तो 0 से लेके राइट हैंड साइड जब हम मूव करते जाएंगे टिल इन्फिनिटी, दीज नंबर्स आर होल नंबर्स. लेकिन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ 0 विच इज -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 एंड सो ऑन डॉट डॉट डॉट, ये जो नंबर एक्सटेंड हो रहा है दीज नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव नंबर्स. सो द नंबर 0 विच इज न्यूट्रल, 0 is neither negative nor positive. The right hand side always extends to the right hand side, so this is positive number. The left hand side of 0 is always negative and it goes till infinity. These set of numbers are known as integers. बच्चों यहाँ पे fractions नहीं आएगा. Fractions अगर आ जाता है तो those are not integers. You should have always a negative whole number and the positive whole number together. The set of numbers are known as integers. I hope children the previous knowledge topic is clear to you. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.